Question number 1. What is the Tropical Forest Forever facility proposed at COP30? Right answer is option B, a blended finance fund aimed at conserving rainforests. Question number 2. What is the purpose of India's Supreme Court probe in the Himalayan region? Right answer is option B, to probe environmental norm violations causing ecological disasters. Question number 3. Who is the tree teacher leading grassroots afforestation in Rajasthan? Right answer is option A, Bhaira Ram Bhakar. Question number 4. What alarming trend regarding Himalayan springs was highlighted at a Dehradun conference? It's option B, springs drying rapidly threatening 50 million people. Next question is, what initiative aims to stop new oil, gas and coal production globally? It's option B, Fossil Fuel Non-Proliferation Treaty. Question number 6. What frightening update did scientists report on Antarctica's icebergs? It's option B, rapid disintegration threatening sea levels. Next question is, what did the FT advocacy essay propose for balancing ecology and economy? It's option B, a One Earth balance sheet and global eco-regulator. Question number 8. What did the NGT direct Madhya Pradesh to do about Narmada river pollution? Option B, stop untreated sewage discharge and monitor STP completion. Next question is, what landmark advisory did the ICJ issue in July 2025? Option B, wealthy nations must reduce GHG emissions or face reparations. Question number 10. What recent project in Rajasthan carrying out to combat desertification? It's option B, Aravalli soil development over 3,700 hectares. Next question is, what was the outcome of the Global Plastics Treaty talks? It's option B, talks failed due to fossil lobby pressure. Next question is, what crisis affects 84% of global coral reefs between 2023 to 2025? Right answer is option B, global coral bleaching event. Next question is, how close is India's forest cover to the policy goal? It's option A, 33% target versus 24.6% actual. How many new Ramsar wetlands did India add in February 2025? Option B, 4, now totaling 89. Question number 15. What did NOAA report about February 2025 global temperatures? It's option B, 1.26 degrees Celsius above 20th century average third warmest. Next question is, what are global climate predictions for 2025 to 2029? Option B, 80% chance a year will exceed 2024's record, 70% chance of 1.5 degrees Celsius 5-year average. Next question is, what positive discovery emerged from May 2025 ocean exploration? Right answer is option B, coral gardens and new species near Antarctica. What severe weather event struck India Pakistan in 2025? Option B, extreme early heat wave with temperatures up to 48 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan. What did a study warn about future oppressive heat waves in India? Right answer is oppressive heat waves could increase fivefold at 1.5 degrees Celsius warming. Next question is, what did research on PM 2.5 in Indian cities reveal? Option B, similar seasonal patterns varying decay rates across cities. Next question is, what was India's change in carbon intensity from residential space cooling 2000 to 2022? Right answer is option B, increase of 292.4% per household. Question number 22. Despite forest greening, why is NPP declining in parts of India? Option B, warming inhibits productivity despite greening. Next question is, what was the theme of World Environment Day 2025? Right answer is option B, shared challenge, collective action to beat plastic pollution. Question number 24. Which UN campaign featured prominently on billboards worldwide in 2025? The right answer is option A, hash beat plastic pollution. Question number 25. Which institution endorsed a blended finance rainforest fund at COP30? Option B, Brazil Tropical Forests Forever Facility. Next question is, which region's springs are in crisis due to drying and climate change? It's option B, Himalayas affecting 50 million people. Next question is, what new legal principle did the ICJ affirm regarding the environment? Option B, right to a clean, healthy environment is a core human right. What hindered the Global Plastics Treaty in Geneva? Right answer is option B, petrochemical lobby blocked caps on virgin plastic. Question number 29. Which legal body handles environmental disputes in India? Option B, National Green Tribunal NGT. Question number 30. What pressing global environmental risk is gaining legal traction? Right answer is option B, legal accountability of nations and companies for emissions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Amana's GK Globe. Protect Earth, protect our future.